Guys, look at the Potomac River. I'm at Ronald Regional Airport, and this is the part of it. There's even airplane takeoffs. Look at it. Airplane takeoffs. Back to the Potomac. Look at the Potomac River. It is beautiful. It's so beautiful. I recommend to come with your family and take pictures here because it's absolutely beautiful. And there's cute little ducks. Look at the little guy. Such a cute duck. Look at the duck. It's just floating in the Potomac, chilling. Look at that cute little duck chilling in the Potomac. Another takeoff! Another one! Another takeoff!